Welcome to Sketchy 2.0. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. And in today's video, we're going to be fixing this rat's nest and making it less of a fire hazard and make it actually run and start. And I think the way we're going to do this is swap a marine battery in here that I have out of my Jeep. And I think it's going to work a lot better for this application. But I've had a big battery in this before, and I don't know if you can tell, it welded itself to the hood. So we gotta work that out too. As you can see, this thing has seen better days. Yes, I hit it with a hammer, and that's what kind of helped this situation. All right, as you can tell, it's all stripped out. I was able to get these vice grips on there barely. I tried something new here, and I just took the body of this clamp and smashed it with the vice grips, hoping that that nut inside will stop spinning. Never tried this before, so we're gonna try this together right here. Oh, she's tight. Nah. Well, for the record, that doesn't work. Okay, at this point, I think we got this. No, we don't. That's all we got. Shoot. Okay, well, at least we're able to break this away. And now we can actually get the vice grips on this nut, and it should come right off. All right, let's give her a try. Oh, yeah. All right, so this is the marine battery. This is just a standard battery. You know, great value from Walmart. Didn't last too long, honestly. So here's the differences. This has 500 cold cranking amps. This one has 525 cold cranking amps. I don't think it's going to be that big of a deal, but you know, we're going to find out. This has 650 just normal cranking amps. This has 625 marine cranking amps. I believe that's just the same, you know, above 32 degrees. So this is just a little bit lower, but I think it'll work fine. So I'm gonna get this cleaned up and throw it in, and I'll tell you the benefits of why I think this marine battery is gonna do better than this piece of junk. So I just got everything, you know, soaking in that battery cleaner, battery terminal cleaner, and it should be good to put back together after that. Welcome to Sketchy 2.0. It's a tight fit. I'm going to try the hammer trick this time again. This time we're going to use an adjustable hammer. Uh-oh. Yeah, this thing's it's a shit box. Who cares, right? If it goes up in flames, it goes up in flames. But when Mr. Clyde gets a new body, we'll do this right. Alrighty, we got her all done. This thing's nice and tight. It ain't going nowhere. So the advantages to this marine battery are these little posts, which of course I lost the right nut for them, but I found two that worked. But now not everything is hooked up to, you know, those cable or these clamps. You know, I don't even know what these are called. What are these called? Clamps? Battery clamps? Battery terminals? I don't even know. But anywho, yeah, it's still sketchy, but it's a lot better. I went ahead and you know, electrical tape some stuff. You know, I'm not rich like those other guys on YouTube that can you know, do all that fancy stuff. And plus, you know, we just want to have some fun, so get her done fast, right? But now the true test is this hood, move my stick, gonna clear it. Oh boy, you can't really see, but it's super tight. I don't think it's gonna fit. So I think for some extra protection, we got our fancy Felpro valve cover gasket box. We'll just set that up there and give us a little protection, I think. Now we gotta see if this thing is even gonna start. You can make your guesses down below. My guess is probably not. All right, she's in neutral. Oh, you always gotta wiggle it. Get your awesome key. You got power. Ah, she's dead. All right, I'm gonna bring my truck over. We're gonna jump it. So I think before I jump it, I'm going to try something here. I'm gonna see if this little guy will jump this big guy. Oh, nothing. All right, let it. All right, let's see if she's gonna do it. I don't know. It's almost like there's no power. Let's check. Maybe the battery's just really dead. We'll try again in a minute. All right, let's give her the beans. See what happens. Now. Oh, we got her. We got her. All right. Got one word of advice for everyone. Don't buy a Dodge. They got a different problem every single day. True story. Good truck when it wants to be. Don't buy one. Well, I guess the last thing to do here, make sure that this winch, oh yeah, she works. We're good. All right. I think we successfully fixed it. I hope. Now, unless the alternator's dead, it's just not charging another battery, but it was pretty screwed, to be honest. Well, thanks for watching this episode of Pack Your Ride. You know, I'm not 100% happy with it, but she runs now. I think that's half the battle. Now I can potentially go wheeling, do some snow wheeling, we'll see. Well, if you like Suzukis and anything off-road, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also hit that like button if you like the hack stuff like me. Have a good one.